Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about the types of trading, because whenever one question comes into your mind, types of trading, people always jumps to the intraday trading, swing trading, positional trading, option trading, future trading, blah blah blah. But let me tell you the basic three type of trading according to trading definition. Number 1 is speculation, 2 is arbitrage, 3 is hedging. So now we will discuss in detail one by one. So one is the speculation. Example of speculation is long future, long option, buy the stock of any underlying. So these all are the speculation. So we will discuss about the example of speculation. One is the positional trading. Trade holding period is 1 month to 6 months. Swing trading 2 days to 1 month. And intraday trading, one of the most favorite trading type of retail traders. Same day buying and same day selling, same day square off means. And BTST, STBT, nothing but buy today, sell tomorrow, and sell today, buy tomorrow. And if we talk about the risk reward ratio, there is the high risk and high reward. So in speculation, people generally betting with the stock whether it will go up or go down. So next is the arbitrage. So arbitrage are the opportunity to catch the price differences of the same asset between two different marketplaces by buying and selling simultaneously. So let's see the example of arbitrage. Suppose onion prices in Delhi is today 50 rupees per kg, but in Lucknow this is the 45 rupees per kg. So if one trader buy onion in Lucknow by 45 rupees and sell in Delhi, he will call to broker to in Delhi and make agreement with 10,000 kg of onion, and he will buy in Lucknow and sell in Delhi by tomorrow. So transportation cost is 2 rupees and the arbitrage opportunity is 3 rupees per kg. So we can say arbitrage is the low profit with no risk. Arbitrage is the catching small profit with no risky trade. Since we also call this as the forward contract in financial definition. So we'll talk about the future contract and forward contract. What is the future contract? Because future is also hot topic between the traders. So we'll see the future contract. First is the standardized, because future is standard for all the traders, and required margin money, because exchange keeps some margin money, and traded on exchange terminal, and digital settlement happens in the future contract. And there is no chances of fraud, because exchange keeps the margin money. And in forward contract, this is the customized, because anybody go over the counter and make an agreement according to his condition, and no margin money required for the forward contract, and over the counter it happens over the counter, and physical settlement in the forward contract. And chances of fraud is high, because there is no need of margin money, so one trader can run away after prices going against of him. So now we will talk about the hedging, one of the most underrated topic, hedging, because lots of retail trader not follow the hedging and not know about the hedging. So basically hedging is the buying insurance, taking a counter position against the real trade. So let's see the example. Buying one lot of future HDFC Bank at 1500 rupees, and for hedging purpose, so trader will buy one lot of put 1500 option. First, why hedging? What is the need of hedging? So first bullet is protect the capital from disaster. Basically purpose of hedging is to protect capital from the black swan event like corona disaster, reduce the losses, and reduce the margin money, because exchange provide lots of margin benefit to hedging trader, because every hedge position margin reduced drastically, and no psychological disturbance. Of course, you can carry overnight position without any hesitation or psychological disturbance. So this is all about the types of trading. So if you think video is worthful, please like and subscribe my channel, and share this video to all your friends and all your trader friends.